GM Cardano, I'm Lloyd Duhan. It is the 3rd of October 2023. Here are your top stories. We are continuing our week-long coverage of the NFTxLV conference in Las Vegas. Today we have updates from World Mobile. Melanie, what did you learn?
GM Lloyd, World Mobile is on a mission to connect the unconnected, starting in rural and developing areas. The team took to the main stage at NFTxLV on Saturday to talk about their impact to date and future plans. CEO Mickey Watkins explained that after installing just 2 solar-powered internet nodes in a small fishing village in Zanzibar, the local economy was transformed. Let's listen.
We're all affected by the pandemic, 2019. So we'd got installed just 1 month before the pandemic, and we planned to come back. 7 months later, we finally could travel. And that was a bad thing, by the way. They stopped us all from traveling. But when we got back there, it was a much more longer test or proof of concept than we'd figured out. And I sent in the team, RJ, and I sent in the filming team, and they arrived, and they called me from the air nodes themselves and said, "We don't think we're in the same place, but it's very strange because the air nodes are in the same place." I said, "Come on, guys, what do you mean?" I said, "Well, this village was 130 people, and now it's gone to 300 people. And there was 1 shop, and now there's 3. And there was 1 bar, and now there's 2. And the fishermen have devices."
The connectivity allowed the villagers to easily contact traders and increase profits. In just months, the population doubled as the economy boomed. This demonstrated the power of connection. Now, World Mobile plans to bring this model worldwide, starting here in the U.S., where around 30 to 40% of the population has coverage issues. How will it work? Chief Architect James Tagg says, World Mobile is building a people-powered network. Instead of towers, participants can host network nodes on their own properties and earn rewards as a decentralized sharing economy. Despite setbacks, the team will soon launch the first commercial aerostat, or communications balloon, in Africa. Mickey continued.
Then we decided that the other countries that are waiting for us cannot wait any longer, and nor can we, and nor can our community, nor can the sharing economy. So next week, the first commercial aerostat in the world will go up in the continent of Africa, showing a data set that we all expect, and that's the real beginning of connecting the unconnected in rural areas. Very proud moment for us, and I think for the sharing economy as well.
So by democratizing access, World Mobile aims to succeed where large corporations have failed, bringing affordable mobile coverage to rural populations. He emphasizes the importance of empowering local communities to own the infrastructure. Their decentralized model could be a game changer in addressing this inequality. Through Cardano and peer-to-peer networks, World Mobile is connecting the unconnected. For GM Cardano, I'm Melanie Duhan.
Thanks, Melanie. Sam Leathers, head of product for Cardano Core Tech, sat down to give us an update on SanchoNet.
Yeah, so we got new actions. So it's not just the Constitution anymore. Now you can get Treasury withdrawals, which I know excites a lot of people. You can also register to be a CC member. You can generate the cold and hot keys, and then you can create an authorization certificate to authorize your cold key to your hot key. And then you can submit an action for everyone to vote on you being added to a CC.
Fantastic. And also you can actually query the governance state now, is that right?
Yes, there is a governance state query now. It's not stable, so don't use it for any long-term applications. Please submit an issue for the query you actually want directly on the Cardano. Probably the Cardano CLI repo would be a good one to submit the issue.
Okay, very good. So is there what's the next steps for SanchoNet? Where are we headed next?
Next steps, well, we need smart contracts. And then the last remaining thing is the bootstrap phase. Once we have those 2 nailed down, then it's just battening the hatches and getting performance good to go, and then it's out on mainnet. And we have SIP 1694 live for the first time where everyone can code.
Incredible.
The other exciting thing coming out would be the GovTool. So GovTool has wallet integration. We're just waiting for a few wallets to get on it, but end users will be able to use a web interface now to be able to become a DREP and to act as a DREP. without needing to do everything on the CLI.
Okay, so this is a tool with a user interface that us mere mortals will be able to use to start interacting with SanchoNet.
Absolutely. So I'm hoping we'll get a huge explosion of people because of this.
Absolutely. Sam, thank you so much. It was great pleasure seeing you again here in Las Vegas, and we can't wait to see you again. Good luck with the rest of SanchoNet development.
Look forward to seeing you in Dubai.
If you have an important story that the Cardano community needs to hear, please use the GM Cardano tip line, gmctips@gmcardano.com, or send us a DM on X to our handle, GM_Cardano. For links to the above stories, please check our show notes. GM Cardano is your go-to resource for the latest news of the Cardano blockchain. Your support helps us grow. Please like and subscribe on YouTube or wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts. GM Cardano.